What's good, y'all? Had a question come in not too long ago asking, what is my sales pitch at the farmer's market? And to be honest with you, I wasn't really satisfied with the answer that I gave. In fact, when I read the question, I was like, this is probably better for me to do at the farmer's market. So I decided to take y'all to the farmer's market, man. Go over sales pitches, just the way that I kind of engage with my customers. But before I get into all that, I need to set up, actually get to the market, then set up. While I'm doing that, would you guys be ever so kind as to hitting that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if you guys find any value out of this video or any of my other videos, feel free to hit the links down below. They go a long way. All those things go a long way in supporting the channel, so thank you. Also, if there's other questions that you guys might have, cruise down below, man. I have a lot of different videos covering a wide array of different gardening topics, as well as market gardening topics. All right, y'all, catch up with you in a sec. I don't have a sales pitch. Just be yourself. Like I said, I wasn't really satisfied with that. I gotta get back to my booth though, man. I got some things to do. This chalkboard, man. Signage. You're gonna have the best sales pitch in the world, dude, but at the end of the day, homie, if you don't have what it takes to bring the people to your booth in the first place, then your sales pitch is kind of null and void. You wanna make sure that your booth is on point first, or as well. If I had to guess, 70 to 80% of the people that are gonna come to this booth don't even need a sales pitch anyway. You know what I'm saying? They just kind of know what they want. I gotta make some deals because we got a gang of freaking market mix. Our Riverside market closed down due to the weather, so we have a bunch more market mix this week, which is ultimately good. Gives me a second chance to sell it. That's the beauty of having the live trade model. Today's special. It's gonna take me like 100 tries to do this. Dude, I hate writing on chalkboards. I suck at it. You should see me in school. Horrible. Not today's special. Looking pretty good. Let's get them. So keep in mind, y'all, I'm at the market, so I'm doing my best to make it to where you can't see, anybody's face. That being said, do your best to listen for the conversation, and I'll do my best to kind of tell you guys what's going on, as well as what it is I'm kind of thinking as the transaction is happening.
The mix. Oh man, I was about to ask if you get the mix.
The mix and you can build a radish on top.
$5 again?
Yeah.
Off the bat, these customers right here are customers that I've had for a long time. So they know what they want. And it's pretty much at that point, we just kind of jump into a conversation about yoga. That's what we were talking about last week.
Oh! And we had to get home by a certain time.
So you definitely want to make sure you're always being friendly and polite and always having a great conversation. But at the same time, you do need to remember that you're there, to make money or to generate revenue. So you want to make sure that your conversations aren't too long, but long enough.
That does hurt. Yeah. Right? Have to fight another day.
With the live harvest model, the conversation time's kind of built in. It makes it kind of nice.
Thank you guys so much, man. Have a great one, y'all. We'll see you soon. Yes. How can I help you out?
So this small, can you mix two different ones or just
Warm it up. It feels like it might be doing something, right? Yeah, man. Like earlier, we were like, what's going on with this?
What's the mix that you made them before? With the, like something spicy.
That's probably the radish.
Okay.
All right, so the mom in this group is really cool, but she's very quiet. Anyway, I know that she likes broccoli, so we didn't have any broccoli at the moment. However, our mix includes broccoli, and I know she likes it. So I, want to make sure that everybody in the group is included. So of course I offer that. Of course you want to know names. That always helps. However, I don't necessarily go overboard here. I do know several of my customers' names, but I don't know them all. There's a lot.
You gotta go back in there.
Like the Rams are playing today.
That's right, yeah.
And
You do like the whole halftime shows and all that stuff too?
we're not doing the halftime. We're doing
A lot of people that come to the booth do a lot of interesting jobs, so a lot of times we just end up talking about that.
Have a great one, guys.
I want some of your spring mix.
Market, let's go.
So, okay, so how does this work? Like, how big do you
Most time it sells itself,
This
yeah.
whole bag,
Yeah?
$4. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. And if
perfect.
you want to
I'll
throw
take
on one of these, it's $7. We have radish. Really, that's all we have for a while.
I do feel as though sales pitches do have their places in the market, of course. I mean, you're in the market. But I like to focus more so on just my overall display and my engagement, you know. That's what I would probably just recommend to anybody that wanted to get into farmers market sales is work on your engagement with people, or be aware of your engagement with people on just a normal day-to-day and develop that. And you'll see, I mean, you'll shine through at the farmers market. At the end of the day, man, I promise you, everything's going to be cool. Side note, chalkboards are a pain. They always fall over.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Hi. My dad's buying me a cookie and he wanted some sprouts.
Okay.
Dad, what type of sprout do you want?
I like being in farmers markets.
No cilantro.
You know, it's like, what other place are you going to just be around a bunch of like-minded people kind of just coming together for the same purpose, and that's just to get, you know, quality food. So
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a great one.
it's pretty much like that, y'all.
Hey, Timmy, I am 6 years old now.
You're 6 years old? Dude, happy birthday to you, my friend. Fellow Aquarius. Dude, we'll see you later. Happy birthday, baby.
Well, damn, yeah. I haven't had to do a sales pitch. I haven't had to hand out any samples either. It's a good problem to have. Take that. I'll take that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the table now. Holy. So we're gonna flip this table, replenish everything, and then make it look like we're good again. Oh, market mix is looking good. Still got the sale cracking for the mixes. Few moments later, our first sample.
I don't like these, but that looks pretty.
You know, and two, they don't really have, a lot of people don't like the texture. At least that was my mom. She didn't like the texture of pea, but she liked the flavor. We got the sunflower right here. Here, let me get you. Yeah, these ones is fine. This is like, well, the pea is also one of the better sellers because they're sweeter, but that tastes like a sunflower seed. High in vitamin E, got some zinc running through it as well. Really cool. Goes good with Japanese food, sandwiches, salads, whatever you want to do. I've even thrown that in kimchi, made kimchi with it too. It's fine. Oh, there it is, man. That's a nice crunch.
I'm just gonna get the sunflower.
Sunflower? All right.
For sandwiches.
Sunflower for sandwich. You got it. Did you want to do the large or small? Well, y'all, we still have some left. I feel good about the day, relatively. Anyway, man, the tip, I guess, that I would probably say, or the sales pitch that I have, is just really basically going off of health benefits of the microgreens, as well as just things that you can do with them for dinner or different meals. Anyway, y'all, I hope this one helps. I'll talk to y'all soon.